From our institute, and this is to display the objectives of finance, to make you all understand the knowledge of finance, and to enrich you all regarding finance. That is, and every one of us is connected with finance. You know, either a beggar who is begging, or the richest man on the earth who makes billions. And this finance event consists of the stock exchange as well as the quiz in finance. The stock exchange will teach you how to invest the money and how to earn money and more money by investing in the stock exchange.
And here we have 5 teams, A, B, C, D and E. We have 5 brokers, Sudhir, Bashir, Jiten, Tarun and Sushant. And we have individual investors in the complete 5 teams, 2 investors in each team. So the game lies here like, we will be issuing a share in the market, and an individual investor is given a 10 lakh virtual money. Or if you have a 10 lakh virtual money, just assume and think like how can you invest and you can fetch more profit over there. So we'll be launching first share in the market, and you'll have to make a transaction. And the slips I have provided you, you will have to give me a written entry on this. And your details of transaction, either purchase or sell of shares, will be written by your broker. You can discuss with your broker where to invest and where not to. Okay? As per your profit and as per your interest. So, shall we start the game? Yeah. Are you finding it a bit interesting? Yes. Okay. Let's start. Come on, for me.
Here I am going to throw the first dice of A share. It has been launched in the market for rupees 100.
Face value IPO of A share is 100 rupees. And let's see how you all have 10 lakh virtual amount. How much do you want to invest in A share? Talk to your brokers and tell me. Talk to your brokers, discuss how much do you want to invest in A share. All of you have 10 lakh virtual amount. Don't invest whole amount in A share. There is B share yet to be launched in the market, friends. Done? You will have to purchase A share. Price is 100 rupees. It is your choice how many shares you want to purchase. You have 10 lakh virtual amount. I need individual signatures also. Investor signature. And it's a kind request. Listen friends, no manipulations in the transactions because your written documents, otherwise the team will be eliminated from that. Disqualified, okay? Have you made the entry? Have you got it? Done? Cross check. I'll do it afterwards also. First. It is because we had 10 lakh virtual amount and kitna amount has been deducted from your total.
10,000 के तो आपने खरीद लिए, बाकी और कितना बचा?
कितना बचा? quick result so that you have this much amount there. Okay? Let me collect. So, are you all done with that? Yes. This.
उसको पहले से plug guys.
It's two. It's two. So now your share price increased. So would you like to invest? No. But you cannot keep your shares more than twice. More than twice throw. We will throw the dice twice. You can only keep it till then. At the third throw, you will have to make a transaction. Either buy or either sell. Okay. Okay. So now we'll be launching.
B-share
is of rupees 90 in the market.
Guys,
So-
there is a time limit. You have to do fast.
You have to be quick. Because stock markets, you all know, is 24/7. It can continue till any long. And you not even feel like.
Yeah.
90. 90. Yes. 90. 90.
Guys,
Done with this? Decided? Can I Can I have your now? How much do you want now? Come on, boy. 6. 6. 4. 4. Okay, what do you want now?
No one.
Purchase share. Hold. You can hold it only for twice. Twice throw only you can hold. At third, you will have to make a transaction. Alright. Anybody want to make any transaction in this round?
yes. Wait. Please do pause.
This is for Asia.
There is no time.
After invested one key, my share की entry यहाँ आपका बी लॉन्च हुआ है.
like 80,000, 80 times you are 80,920.
So next we have for Asia. Let's see how much the price rises now. Come on.
5, 5, 5, 4.
Yeah.
4. What do you want now?
1. Hold.
Hold. All of you wanna hold?
Sell.
Who wanna sell? You. Okay. Maybe there is some logic.
For sale, you have to put 2.
There. Code.
अच्छा वो
Code. Listen, all those who are selling the shares now, they will have to give code 2. Brokers.
share एक बार
You wanna hold?
yeah Everybody wanna hold. Just continue.
Everybody wanna hold. Okay, next row for B. B. You have purchased.
Is it of A or B? A.
Done?
Just a minute. लेकिन आइए जब बात दोनों का एक मिनट करेंगे दो चांस एक ट्रांजैक्शन हमारा भी है
बड़े ट्रांजैक्शन
Still, yeah, there's a hole. Look there at 21. Look there at 21.
You won. But there is no.
Any transaction?
There are 30. That is the price value of A.
Yes, this is the price value of A. 112 for A share. Any transactions?
180.
Oh, sorry. Share B है, share A. कौन सा?
Share B.
Value 90. 15 है sorry.
115.
नहीं 105.
105, sorry.
Share B की value. There is no.
105.
105.
105.
Fail. See, there is a.
जो समझे
105. एक बंदे को यहाँ पर ये
Guys, 20 seconds more.
Any transactions?
1 second. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
They're done with this. Okay. Now for share. आप किसको? A का. What do you want for A now? 50-50 चलेगा. चलो let's see.
Break.
That is 6.
1.
So now it is 113. What do you want to do now? Buy or sell?
Hold.
Hold. Buy.
No, yeah.
Team A is buying. There must be some logic, guys. Think.
इनमें
जित मुझे कोई कॉलेज का फोन ला दो रोशन के पास होगा शायद
ठीक है मैम
फटाफट लाओ मुझे कॉल करने की
हमें इस फोटोज़ किसी ने नहीं लिए हैं।
Current price of share B is 109. 109. A lot more chances to increase, guys. Make stocks, let the price increase, then sell. My suggestion, matlab.
Green.
Done? Done with this? Let's see.
Oh,
It's 2 now.
117.
So price per share A is 117. Any transactions?
Yes.
Okay. Equal. No. Hold. Hold.
100. Oh, 113 value.
Yay! Rise in the price. है ना? Rise.